At 2:16 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Patterson Springs and Earl. Low-lying areas east of Highway 18 extending toward Earl and Patterson Springs will be especially prone to flash flooding. Some affected roadways may include Tradwick's Wing Road, Austell Grand Road, and Crow Road. When it is safe to do so, please report flooding or landslides threatening roads or property to the National Weather Service Greenville Smart Alert by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 by posting on our Facebook page or via X using hashtag NWSTSP. Your message should describe the specific location where impacts occurred and the depth of flooding observed. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low-water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain. Do not attempt to cross flooded roads. Find an alternate route.